Mould King Magic Station Part 7 Bag 4. Hello and welcome to Square Ghost, and the start of part 7 really has been doing some tiles. Can't really see, I'm going to get some light on in a minute. You can definitely see the light ones better. You can see the bend on them, I think, just about. And there you can see the slope going all the way down. Let's see if I can get a bit better light on for the black ones. Very quickly as I shine down, it doesn't really help that much, but at least you can see where the tiles are going. We put these twos in with the gaps all the way down to the end. So with that, that's the state of play. Let's get on with the rest. A little funny story to tell. We've had to make up these little section. It's the box where, you know, you put the little tilted rocker board in, and then we just put a cheese slope, a double 1x2 cheese slope in, and they go all the way down. There's that. Now you can just see there, thank the Lord. You can see the black ones exactly the same as the cream ones, exactly. But when I came to actually make these, there wasn't any, and I thought, oh dear me, what's happening here? So I checked the next bag, which is bag 6. None. Oh dear. Am I got missing parts? This is going to be terrible to replace. You know, I'm certainly not going to have 4 of them in stock as they go all the way down the plate. And then the thought hit me. Do you remember when we did the bags at the start? There was a bag 0. Yep. There was. Bag 0. Loads of them, if I'm honest, absolutely loads of them. So we've got them to come back whenever they are used for next time. So I just wanted to tell you that funny story. Everything's on, everything's looking good as we're continuing with this part 7 of Magic Station. So you can see we've just made up a little bridge. Got that lion figure, which I think I really like the patination of that. Pretty simplistic with the bits of fence, if you like, candle holders, nothing special. 10x8, something like that. 10x6, I think it's a 10x6. Yeah, it is a 10x6. And then we have the coloured like dot things around the, you know, circular plates there for the platforms, and it's going to go on over here, I think. Fingers crossed that fits on. Okay, so let's get that on. We haven't got a lot to do, and that will be the end of this particular section. And there we have it. Like I say, we put our little bridge on. We then built up this little archway to here that fit on our pillar and posts that we've already got done. They just clicked into place lovely. Job's done. Absolutely brilliant. If you look at that, I think it's absolutely fabulous. So far so good. We've got our lion there. You can see our steps. Very good. If I can just come round, you can see our platform 8. I just wanted to give that perspective of, as you can see, I'm struggling to actually film this because of the size of the actual build. So I hope you can see enough with the steps, with the 2 platforms. It's looking really good. We started off with our slopes here. I've nearly just tried to knock the bridge down, but it stayed up, thankfully. Once the slopes was on, and this was built up here with the little side pieces on here with the decoration, and then it was all about the bridge. We have this high looking slopey thing there. You can see it's the triangles again with those little things that I thought I'd lost on the black ends, which was fine. I managed to get, so that was fine. But as I say, it's looking good. You can see the stairs. If I come this way, that's as far as I can come out. And I am sorry for my photography, it's not good. But you can see the problem I've got with how I've got to build this, let alone film it. It's a real tight fit. I've got nowhere bigger in my house to actually put it to build it. So it's a matter of, you know, needs must. So I hope you'll forgive me for how I am showing this footage. I mean, if I can, you know, I will turn and everything will be okay. But like I say, it's nice. You can see the stairs now, which looks a little bit better on both sides. The bridge links everything nicely. I'm pretty sure we'll fill up this section later. Probably, you know, the same with the other one as well. We'll see as we go on. And then hopefully tomorrow we will finish off bag 4. I mean, if you look at the parts, we've got a few there. We've got a few on the table, so to speak, but there's not loads and loads and loads, so we've got a lot to go at. Anyway, without further ado, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, hit that like button for me. It does me and the channel a world of good. And if you want to follow us tomorrow on to part 8 and the end of bag 4, then all you have to do is click on that subscribe button. Yes, indeed. Anybody who's watched this video, as I say, and in my other videos, thanks very, very much for watching. I hope the videos aren't running too long, but you can see how we've had to build and everything that goes into. To say this is only a 3,300 piece set, it feels like a lot bigger set, even though it isn't. But it is what it is. We're enjoying ourselves, and that's all that matters. And with that, without further ado, you know the score, you know the drill. My name's Kev, I am Square Ghost, and I'll see you all on the flip side.